Hello, in this video we will demonstrate how to modify the Packer build process from the prior video to include additional software for our Eucalyptus Cloud. We will be adding Nginx to the build process. The prerequisites are to have a Eucalyptus Cloud running, and there are other videos in the series to show you how to build a Eucalyptus 4 Cloud using the Fast Start installer. You will also need to have set up Packer according to the instructions on the URL on the screen. And I want to thank Vic for putting these instructions together. There are spots in the video that I've edited to save time while we had to wait for a process to complete. The video is a little over 7 minutes long. The basic steps are delete the output directory if present, modify the name of the VM in the Packer JSON file, modify the post-install script to add the additional steps for the software we'll be adding, in our case Nginx, yum command to install Nginx. Don't forget to include the -y to answer yes for all questions, or the automated build will fail. Next, we prepare the image using the virt sysprep. Then we'll upload the sysprepped image to our cloud and test the new image by running it and verifying that Nginx is running. Let's get started. First, we will look in the CentOS-6 directory. And here's where we need to delete the output directory, or the build will fail. Next, we will modify the Packer JSON file to change the name of the VM to CentOS-Nginx from CentOS base. And now we'll edit the post-install script to include the commands to add Nginx. And you can see here that we have the yum-y install Nginx line that was added to install Nginx. Remember to include that -y to answer yes for all questions, or the automated build will fail. And lastly, we have the check config Nginx on, and that'll ensure that Nginx will start at boot time. And now we're ready to build. During the process, waiting for SSH to become available takes some time. Please be patient. I've paused the video during the waiting period. Once the build process is complete, the next step is to run the virtual sysprep command against the raw image. The sysprep portion is quick. Now it's time to upload the sysprepped image to our Eucalyptus Cloud. Please be sure to source your Yucca RC file before you run any Yucca commands. I've paused the video during the upload process, and that was about 1 minute. Now our image is uploaded, and you can see there by the EMI. And let's jump over to web browser for the final steps. From the images page, we can see our new Nginx image. Before we launch our new image, be sure to check that port 80 is included in the security group you will be using. If you've been following along with the Eucalyptus Fast Start video series, or your Eucalyptus Cloud is built using the Eucalyptus Fast Start installer, port 80 is included in the default security group. Let's launch the new image and verify that Nginx is running. We will use the launch wizard. First, choose the image. Here we can choose the number of instances, we can name the instances, we can choose the instance type. We'll just leave the defaults. And on the next page, we need to make sure that we check our security group and our key pair and launch the image. And now that the image is running, the ultimate test is to check that IP address in a web browser to make sure that Nginx is installed and running. In this video, we modified the Packer files to include additional software. Now you should be able to build images with the software packages you need. Thanks for watching.